Alright, we got 30 to 40 mile an hour wind out today, so I figured I'd bring the LaTrax Alias out and see what it can do in this kind of wind. It's a little slowed down right now, so it's handling it no problem. Let's see what happens when all these gusts kick back up. Oh, here we go. I mean, it gets pushed around, but the 6-axis stabilization just really holds it in nice and stable still. I'm just flying into the wind there. That's not bad at all for how strong this wind is. Here comes another gust. Oh, it's pushing it back, but it can do it. Fight it. So that's probably a 40 mile an hour gust that it's flying into right now. And it stayed real nice and stable. That's impressive. That is really impressive. And that's hands off right now. It's just letting it do its thing. It's pretty funny watching it fly forward into the wind and barely moving. Just leaning in the wind. Supposed to be 30 mile an hour constant with 40 mile an hour gusts. Flip into the wind, back flip with the wind. Diagonal. Oh geez. Lost my orientation and the wind took it. I got it back. That green definitely shows up good from a distance. You just gotta trust your eyes. Got away from me quickly there in the wind, but no problem. Trying to hold a hover in the wind here. Diagonal hover. That is impressive. Very cool. Try the twister in the wind there. No problem. Here comes a gust again. This thing is great in the wind. Oh, whoa, it's a big gust. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. There's full speed forward into the wind and it's gaining a little bit. Wow. Wow. Holy crap. I would say that's 50 mile an hour gust probably right there. Holy cow. We just had a tornado warning and not too long ago. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my. Holy cow, look at all the leaves blowing and it's just flying into that. Oh my gosh. This is amazing. Oh wow. I would think the wind just broke 50 mile an hour there, no problem. Wow. I am absolutely amazed. Whoa. Whoa. See if I just hold it right here into the wind in front of me. Look at that angle, it's just kind of holding it, no problem. Just, man, that is impressive. Alright, well I think that's a long enough video. That can prove she can handle some wind, no problem. Alright, that is it. That's the LaTrax Alias in probably 40 mile an hour wind, something like that. Alright, well cool. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and I'll see you next time.